Nice balance.
Alright guys, so unfortunately last time I was recording, my camera died, so I just ended up installing the coils. Let me just show you guys how it looks. So I ended up going with the reactions. I threw the frontals already. Fronts, and then I threw the rears on already as well. I still gotta fuck with the fitment, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. It's a big old gap, so I'm just gonna lower it a little bit more, and that's what today's gonna basically consist of. Alright, now I'm gonna measure just exactly to see how much lower I'm gonna go, and then let me just show you guys again what it is right now before. Hold on, it's a big old gap, so I'm gonna try to get it at least to right here, somewhere here. I guess the only cool thing about having my fucking wheel wells cut is I'm not gonna have to take off the wheel or nothing. I'll just unloosen this bottom one and then just bring it down. So let's get to it. I ended up taking out the fucking tire just to make it a little easier. I thought it was gonna be easier through here, but I was struggling a little bit. So I already locked both of these. Now what I'm gonna do is just basically go up to half of this and then just lower it, and yeah, let's just see how much lower it goes. I'll do the same to that side, put the wheels back on, and I'll drop it and I'll show you guys. So it looks like it's about the same. It's half an inch of gap in between this. This is how I measured it. It's like about half an inch on both sides. Focus. Yeah, about half an inch. It's not focusing, but let me put the wheels back on, then let me show you guys what it looks. Alright guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna lower it. Oh fuck. Well, I gotta take out the jacks, the freaking jack stands first. Alright, moment of truth now, for reals. Alright, well it looks a little lower. Now let's check it out. There it is. At least we don't got that wheel gap no more. Still not satisfied, but yeah. Well, at least we got rid of the freaking wheel gap. Doesn't look too bad actually. I still got half an inch more to go, but I think I'm okay for right now. Now I gotta worry about the rears. The rears are still pretty good gap. But who knows? I might end up leaving it like this. I'm gonna put it out real quick for you guys and see how it looks outside. So let me go ahead and pull it out. Alright guys, so this is how it looks so far. I'm actually fucking with it. It's not that bad. There's just no wheel gap here. I still gotta mess with this fender right here. Still gotta bolt it down. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. I can't complain. I actually like it. This one's actually bolted down, so you'll get a better idea how it looks. And that's with me not even fucking with the rears yet. I still gotta fuck with the rears, but like I'm saying, I might just leave it like that. It's not that bad. Alright, wait, before I put it back inside, let me show you guys. I actually put the tails. See how they look? I fuck with it. I like them. I used to have cookies before, but I didn't have that centerpiece, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna spend that extra money to freaking buy the centerpiece. So I just ended up selling them. I regret it now. But yeah. I still got a shit ton of stuff to do to this car. I still got to paint the interior. Put all the shit back in there. I have everything laying here. I still have the other side skirt right here, the hood. I have my seats. Probably gonna get rid of these. This one's all faded already, so kind of over them. Have the dash. These are actually the old coils that came off. They were all freaking blown. And yeah, like the dash, like I'm saying about the dash, I know it's gonna be hard, but I'm trying to freaking find a uncracked one, which I know is freaking ridiculous to try to find one. And if I do find one, it's gonna be stupid expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here, and then I'll see when I pick up the camera to do an update of the car again. Peace out.